just one word, no? Really amazing to see all of you here today for our 35th anniversary. Really, 35 years is really a very short time, considering that when we started in 1990, ang Parasat nagsugod lang sa among backyard dito sa Bilian Nesto. Tonight's really a celebration of sorts. Kay Monique I did not expect our business to stay this long, no? First of all, I really would like to attribute our success to the Lord, no? Kung wala na naglantaw ang Ginoo sa atong paingnan, kung nagsunod ta sa iyang kagustuhan, dili ni mahitabo. But we are so blessed that tonight, as we celebrate our 35th year, very meaningful kayo ni sa pamilya. The best effort of everyone, no? Ang sakripisyo ninyo para magpadayon ng atong negosyo is really the blessing for all of us, no? Kay kita, ang atong pangita, magpadayon para pag-grow sa atong mga pamilya.
The lines, but still haven't found the words to say when long days turn into long years. But is it any wonder?
I feel very proud of what we have done, but I also feel blessed that we have been given the opportunity to provide jobs for all of you and for all of us. Dili nila nga ako o sa akong pamilya, kundi kamo ang akong dako na pamilya. Congratulations again to everyone for being here today for our 35th anniversary. Thank you, everyone.